In life, the reality gap is the difference between your present situation and your desires. And we consistently we are striving to bring this gap and make it smaller every day. In the stock market, the reality gap lies in the opportunities. Opportunities that we need to find and close it. As a trader, has it ever happened with you that you started a day for trading thinking that today I might not have a very good chance of making profit? Did this thought ever come to your mind? Has it ever happened with you that you're sitting in front of the computer in a trading day and you're staring at the screen absolutely with a blank mind, awestruck? You just simply cannot do anything. Disappointed. If what I'm saying sounds familiar, then you are in the reality gap. You need to find this and close this. But how? What do you do now? Well, we'll see in this video. So like this video and subscribe this channel right away so this video can reach a lot of people. Well, according to Mark Douglas, the stock market throws endless opportunities towards us. It's we who always fail in capturing the possibilities that the market has given us. It's we who always falter. Now let's try and understand this. What is possible from the market? What possibly can you get out of the market? It's a vast ocean, right? And what is possible from an ocean? Virtually anything. Absolutely anything is possible. And for a trader, what is possible from a trader's perspective? That's very limited. Don't you think so? This is a huge gap. Do you know the reason why? Because a trader's thought process is very limited. What they think is very limited. A trader's expectations from the market are very limited. And that's where the difference comes in. With a limited thought and a limited expectation, if you go and meet something that has got endless opportunities, that's where the big tussle and the difference comes in. Now what? You are stuck at the middle of an ocean with endless opportunities wherever you see. All you need is to have faith in yourself and jump. If what you have been doing so far is not working yet, it's probably time that you revisit your strategies. Isn't it? It's probably time that you revisit everything that you have been doing so far, reframe them, and then perform again. Maybe you have been doing things all by yourself until now, and suddenly you see things are not working. Your strategy, your analysis has stopped working. What should you do? Should you still continue to analyze stocks yourself? No. There are experts in the market, there are software, there are tools. Use them. Take help from others. Talk to experts. Read the journals, read the books. Try and understand what has gone wrong. Isn't it? Talk to people who share the same passion. And don't be self-centered to be absolutely safe. That doesn't work. You have to fail, and you have to fail fast. There are more tools available now than ever before to help you decide what you are trying to do. Use them. The faster you fail, the quicker you will learn that this method is not working for you. you can quickly change the method and try something else. Probably that might start working. If that doesn't work, try something else, try something else, try something else. Something will start working for you, and then you can stick to that. Do what you love. Do you love trading or do you love investing? Choose your pick and then move on. Work with experienced experts that have the skills that you're lacking right now. Concentrate on what you like the most and be persistent on it. You will see you're closing this gap very, very fast. Know your impact. See, sometimes what happens is you often believe that the analysis that you have done should give a value X or should give the return as X, but the actual return that you are getting from the market is possibly Y. So where is the difference? Your calculation says the result should be X, but what you get actually is Y. So what is the difference? Talk to the experts. Try and understand the difference. As discussed, you should have a core team whom you should be talking to. Talk to people. Talk to the core team who share the same thought, the same passion that you have. Talk to them. Try and understand what is going wrong with the strategy. What and how are you thinking which is not meeting the results that you're expecting versus how are they thinking? They are those people who share the same passion. How are those people thinking? Possibly you might get a small click of an idea that might help you. Learn from others. See, it's a very short life. You just can't keep on making mistakes all by yourself and learn. Yeah, definitely learn from your mistakes, but also learn from others' mistakes. You know what the Humanities magazine has to say? This is what Mr. Seligman says. Humanities, the magazine of National Endowment for Humanities. The premises of positive psychology is that well-being can be defined, measured, and taught. Well-being includes positive emotions, intense engagements, good relationship, meaning, and accomplishments. That's PERMA. Questioners can measure it. Trainers can teach it. Achieving is not only what makes people more fulfilled, but makes corporations more productive, soldiers more resilient, students more engaged, and marriages happier. Fighting pessimism, remembering the good, count your blessings, focus on your strength, reframe the way you look at reality and your life. It is an unpleasant philosophy suitable for Western world that Seligman insists is getting better and better. An alternative to the catastrophic thinking that requires of our Stone Age ancestors. That's what he says. If you want to succeed in life, if you want to succeed in trading, cultivating an optimal thinking style is very, very crucial. You will face a lot more losers than winners in this field. And the only thing that can help you go through this is to stay and be persistent on it. And this is what makes a trader thinks that the opportunities are limited in the market, which is actually not. And this is exactly where having an optimistic thinking, an optimistic attitude can help you close this reality gap. The gap between what you think is possible versus what is actually possible from the market. Hope this will help you identify the gap, and I wish you close it very, very fast. See you again in the next video. Till then, SG signing off. Goodbye.